Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones Philips. To perform a factory reset, you need to use controls what located at your right ear cup. Now, what controls we need? We need power button, what located near to the USB-C port, and ambient sound control button, so it's located near to the button with the microphone icon. You need to press and hold both these buttons simultaneously until you will see that the LED lights start flashing blue and white. So let me press and hold. Here we go, it starts flashing. Now we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, headphones. Then click Forget this device or Forget device or Unpair button, and click Forget device again. Because right now, and you will remove them. Right now, if I'm trying to reconnect them, it said me that no, you need to unpair them. So let's do this. After that, after you remove them, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn on and turn off the Bluetooth. No, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or you have Refresh button, click at this button. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pink mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your headphones. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!